Okay, so today, Ellis, what are we going to bake? We're going to bake cookies?
Yeah.
We're going to make some pumpkin cookies. So yeah, I bought this pumpkin puree in a tin from Sainsbury's. So I thought, well, I need to buy it and do something with it. I also bought some soft brown sugar, because that's what we need, don't we? So things we need for this recipe are some pumpkin puree, some caster sugar, some soft brown sugar, yes, yeah, some melted butter, this obviously isn't melted yet, vanilla extract, bicarb soda, baking powder, ground cinnamon, and some plain flour. And I don't know the measurements yet. Oh, also some chocolate chips, but we don't have any chocolate chips, or don't have many chocolate chips left. Oops, forgot to buy some more. So I'm just going to use some of this orange and almond chocolate, which we got from Lidl last week, I think. So yeah. So let's get our measurements ready, Ellis. Should we get our measurements ready?
Yeah.
Yep. And if you are new around here, hello, my name is Caroline. This is my 2-year-old Ellis. Yes, is that your name? Yeah. We do all types of videos on this channel, ranging from baking videos like this, vlogs, hauls, Stitch Fix unboxings, all types of things. And if that appeals to you, I would love it if you could hit that subscribe button. So should we get baking?
Yep.
Yep. Right, so let's get a bowl. I'll link the recipe down below. I'm using a recipe from sallysbakingaddiction.com and it's just a chewy pumpkin cookie recipe. So I'll link it down below. Never made these. Thank you. I've never made this recipe before, so hopefully it goes well. So let's start with the flour. It's probably the easiest thing to weigh out. 1.5 cups of all-purpose flour. Yeah, sugar. 1.5 cups of this. Let's put that straight into a bowl. No, we're not starting with the flour. Not at all. We're starting with the butter and the sugar. 115 grams. Oh, 115 grams of melted butter. I put the bowl on there. Oh, it's a hat. But could you put the bowl on the scales, please? Yeah, put it here. Thank you. I've lost the recipe. Great. Oh no. Stop it. I've lost the recipe. I've actually lost the recipe. Where's it gone? Oh no, I'm going to have to screenshot it. Oh, it's going to be here all day.
iPad.
That's not an iPad, it's scales.
Paper.
Right, can I measure out my butter now?
I'm going to butter now.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
No, don't press it. Don't press it, because if you press it, it's going to go wrong. Right, we need 115 grams. Oops. Oops, put that in the bowl. Oops. Yeah, in the bowl. We need a bit more.
More. Some more.
Oh, okay. Whoa, great. And a little bit more. That one.
Uh-oh.
The only people eating these are going to be me, Sean and Ellis, so don't worry if you're appalled by the amount of hands going in. Going to melt this. Right, we'll come back to that in a minute, because it says melted and slightly cooked, whatever that means. 1/4 cup of dark brown sugar. Whoop. We don't have dark brown sugar, so we're going light brown. Tiger, yeah, Tony the Tiger, he goes, great.
Alright.
Yeah, 1/4 cup. Oh.
Uh-oh.
Okay, then put it in. Yeah, great. Oh, we need granulated sugar, not caster sugar. Well, I never. So it's 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. So I bought this caster sugar recently for this baking video, and I don't even need it. So there we go. It's going to be whisked, Ellis. Are you going to be okay with it being whisked together? You don't like the whisk. 1/2 cup of granulated sugar. You put it in the big bowl. Put this in the big bowl. All in. There. Yeah, and then put this in there too. Okay, and now we're going to put the butter in there, which might be a little bit hot. Plain butter, you pour that in. Oh, I know, maybe I'll do it. Okay. Soup! Or not. Right, I'm going to whisk it now, Ellis. Okay, time for Ellis to disappear for a minute. Not the biggest fan of the whisk. You can help me.
No.
No. All done. It's 86 grams. There's 425 grams in there, so we're not going to use all of it. I hate can openers. Oh, this is hard work, and our can opener just doesn't work very well. It says 6 tablespoons, I'll just use that. It says to blot it first, but I don't know what blotting it will achieve / do. Oh, of course there's a bit sharp. Okay, Mummy can do this because it's very sharp, okay? Don't be hurting yourself. How do I blot it, Sean? Oh, a muslin cloth! I need a muslin cloth, which is clean, because I've used it before to make things. 6 tablespoons of pumpkin puree. 1. What comes after 1?
1,
2, 2,
3,
4, 5.
5.
And then what happens after 5?
5.
And then 6.
6.
You can count to 10. It's only you've got stage fright. Okay, that go over there. Well, I'm going to blot it, but I'm just going to do this. See if anything happens if I do this. I'm just going to do it on the sink actually. Oh look, liquid comes out of it. Well, I never. Well, that goes in here. Oh, so I'm going to have to whisk again, Ellis. Oh, now it's all funny. Now it's like this. Oh.
1 teaspoon.
Put it in. Great.
More.
We can't do any more of that one. But you want to whisk it with me? Or you're gonna go away again while I whisk. I need to do this again. You wanna help me?
No.
Okay. I probably should have read this recipe before I started it because I have no idea what I'm doing. Apparently I'm whisking it. Okay, that will do. 1½ cups of flour. Oops! Oopsie! Right, you put that in. Thank you. And then we need the half. That's flour.
Flour.
And that one in now. We'll pass it down. A teaspoon of salt.
Teaspoon of salt.
Oh, you're going to keep putting your hand in there. Put that in there. Put that in there. Great. 1½ teaspoons of cinnamon. Oh, you're mixing it with your hand. 1½ cinnamon. Can you say cinnamon?
Cinnamon.
You know what? I'm going to do more than 1½ Let me have a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder and a 1/4 teaspoon of bicarb. In that goes.
Yeah.
Pumpkin pie spice. Pumpkin pie spice isn't really something that exists in the UK that I've managed to find. So I'm just making it myself.
Yuck.
PU yuck? What's PU yuck? Pumpkin pie spice is 3/4 teaspoon. So, oh, 1/4 teaspoon. As long as it tastes festive. Nutmeg. I'll do a very small amount of nutmeg. And then, oh sorry, do you want to help? And dried ground cloves. Quite Christmassy, so don't do too much. This much in there, put it in. Great. I'm sure that will be enough.
Mama.
I'll put some more mixed spice in. I think mixed spice probably is pumpkin. Mix a bit more of this in. There you go, put this in. Thanks, and then you stir it. Great. So mix. Mixing, mixing. Left-handed.
Daddy! Daddy mixing.
Yeah, and then we're going to pour these. We're going to pour it into here, and then mix it together.
Oh!
Whoa! Yep, mix it like this. Woo!
Daddy!
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 mixing, mixing, mixing. Can you sing me a song, Ellis? Oh, we've done quite well there. It actually has come together all right, hasn't it?
Yeah.
So these are our chocolate chips. We're going to put those in. Tip those in, Ellis. Tip the whole lot in. Tip the box in. They look a bit funny, but I'm going to fold these in, and then we'll do this one. Should we break? Excuse me, showing us your big belly. I'd say about this much. You put this in there. You break it into pieces. Break it and put it in.
Chocolate. Bake it.
You struggle so much. Wow!
Chocolate.
It's chocolate, yeah. I was waiting for you to do this. Here, you eat that bit. Now I believe this is now going to go in the fridge for half an hour to let it set, and then we'll put it in the oven after that. So we'll come back in half an hour, yeah? So it has been about half an hour, maybe a little bit longer. Now the oven is preheating at 180 degrees. And now we're going to make little cookies. Oh, it's a bit wet still. So now we're going to make it into cookies. You make little balls and you put them down like this. Okay, so can you help me do that? Yeah, like this, a little handful into a little ball, and then a little bit like this. Well, that's a little bit, yeah, very little bit. That's eating the chocolate from inside the thing. Not quite what I had in mind. I don't know how small these should be, but this might be too big. Oh dear, what a palaver. I might need to ask for some help from Daddy.
Daddy.
My glamorous assistant is here.
Just eating them all.
Eating the chocolate from it. Can you get another baking tray out, please? My hands are covered in pumpkin stuff.
Bake for 11 to 12 minutes. 11
to 12 minutes. Ellis, can you say 11 to 12 minutes?
Or until the edges appear to set.
Excuse me. I'm sorry to disappoint. We're going to leave those one. I'm not going to do two at once because the oven won't cook like that. I'm sorry. You have to know you're going to wait for 10 minutes. Wow. They look good. I thought they would flatten out a bit more, but they haven't. So we need to wait for them to cool down.
Toilet.
Toilet? Oh, no, very, very hot.
Yeah.
Chocolate. This is very, very hot. Can we wait for them to cool down a bit before we have some?
Cool down.
Yeah, they're a bit hot. Ouch. Yeah, but do they look good?
Yeah.
Yeah, you happy with them? Which one do you want to eat later? You want to eat this one?
No.
This one?
Hot.
Yeah, and it's hot. Hot. So we'll let it cool down and then we'll come back, okay? I'm thinking I might make this a regular series. Should I do Caroline and Ellis Bakes? Can you say that?
Face.
Caroline.
Caroline.
And Ellis Bakes.
Bakes.
Yeah! Right, do you want to have some of this?
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, no. Yeah, they're definitely cakier than I would like. Maybe if they were cooler, they would.
Please.
Yeah. Is it nice? I thought it'd be better, I think, if I did a smaller, even smaller bits and flatten them out. And then there would have been more cookies that would be cakey. But these have turned out well.
They're nice.
Usually, my baking videos.
I just figured it out.
What?
Ellis is your good luck charm.
My good luck charm. The last video I did, I mentioned before, the last baking video I did was a disaster. I tried to do some Halloween inspired recipes, or fall, autumn inspired ones, and they all were just horrible. Thanks for watching, guys. Say bye-bye. We'll see you next time. Bye.